Hi guys, welcome to this session. So in this session, we'll see how we can create a brand awareness campaign in ShareChat ads. So once you're in the platform, we can start building out a campaign from here. Okay. So when you do so, the first thing which comes is the campaign title. Now here we can give a name to the campaign in this manner. And then you can choose your campaign objective. So this is going to be a brand awareness campaign. So we're choosing awareness over here. And then the ad format. Which type of an ad would you like to create right here? So you can choose between various options like native in-feed display ad. This is like an image ad, as you can see here, or a native in-video ad, something like this, which you want to do for brand awareness. So whenever you're doing brand awareness, these two are really useful. And then there is interstitial, which can come over here specifically in this particular manner. Interstitial ad can come as a full screen ad. Also, there is a lead gen. Lead gen might not be the relevant one right now when we're looking at brand awareness. So the effective one is either a display or a video. So let's say we're doing a display ad. You can also decide the app placement, whether you want to show your ads on ShareChat and Moj. So if you want to remove Moj, you can do that as well. Once you decide your ad format, then we can go next where we can give the other details. So as you can understand, this is going to be a brand awareness campaign. So this is going to be on a cost per 1,000 impressions pricing model. So we're going to set the daily budget over here and then give the bid. How much money would you like to spend on showing your ads every 1,000 times? So you can give your amount in this way. And then you can schedule your ads. When do you want to start the ads? Let's say we're starting from a future date, or you want to run the campaign immediately, you can do so. You can also decide the end date of the campaign. And then you can choose the creative rotation. So click performance or evenly. So you want to run the ads evenly or based on the performance. Whichever ad is getting more clicks, you want to run that more versus the other ads, or do you want to run all the ads evenly? You can decide that. So initially, it's better to have ad as evenly for all the ads. Once you do that, then we come to the target audience, which is the targeting part. This is where you can decide your age, your demographic targeting, which you want to do. So let's say we want to do all these targetings, which you can add. You can also select the gender and then your location targeting. So here you can choose the location targeting in this particular manner. Once we have done the location targeting, then we can also go to advanced targeting, which is where you can choose different telcos, which is telecom companies, which you want to target here. Let's say we want to target Airtel, Jio, Vodafone, BSNL, all four. Okay, device level targeting you can also do if you have any specific devices. If you don't touch this segment, by default, all the devices, all telecom companies will be targeted. Device age. Okay, so we're not touching any of these. We can also choose network speeds. So all these can be done. Then there is affinity. Affinity is specifically affinity interest towards, let's say, social or communication. You have various options here. So let's say this is going to be, we can search in this manner. So let's say on communication. So these are the way you're going to create, add these particular interest, audience targeting, advanced targeting, which we can do. And then finally, we come to the creatives, which is the ad creation part. So you can add the creatives from here. You can add a new creative. So there, these are the details which you have to fill up. So the first is upload the media. So we can drag the media from here. And they have specifications which we have to follow. In this way, we have to select the specifications are 500 by 500 pixel, which we have to choose, and with under 100 KB, okay, which we can upload. This is where you can upload the whole image, and then you can fill up all the details over here. So you can give a name to the creative, language which you can choose over here. If you have any specific languages which you want to choose in which the ad is created, and then choose the caption. If you want to give any action text over here, so you can say sign up. And then choose the CTA button background color. Okay, so in this manner. Once you provide this, then we can give the URL of the page. Let's have a look at it one more time. Okay, so you can go ahead and create one as well on, let's say we are doing it on Canva where we are creating the ad. So we can create a design which is going to be 500 by 500 pixel, and you can upload an image, build out the whole image ad. In this manner, and then download this. And now we can try uploading it once more. So here you would be able to upload it based on the specifications given, 500 by 500 pixel, which we have to choose. Okay, once you do that, then you can publish the campaign. Let me show you how this will look like eventually. So this is how your campaign is going to look like. This is the campaign which we have created. Okay, once you go inside the campaign, this is where you can see the ad. This is the ad which we have created, okay, which you can ideally go ahead and see. This is how the ad is going to look like. So there are going to be two tabs primarily, the campaigns page and the creatives page, which we get to see out here. This is the way, guys, how we can create a brand awareness campaign inside the ShareChat ads platform.